Iridu qabża l-quddiem fis-settur finanzjarju biex Malta tkompli tkun ċentru għall-intrapriżi fis-settur. Quddiem nies li jaħdmu fis-settur, il-Prim Ministru Joseph Muscat qal li din il-qabża se tkun determinata b'sinerġija bejn it-teknoloġija u s-servizzi finanzjarji. Joseph Muscat kienet jindirizza konferenza ta' jumejn mill-istituzzjoni Finance Malta u l-aħbar li ta' intlaqet tajjeb.
Li f'dawn l-aħħar 5-7 snin kien hemm żieda fin-numru ta' operaturi finanzjarji li stabbilixxew l-operat tagħhom hawn Malta fil-qasam tal-fintech. Fintech huwa dak is-settur fejn il-qasam teknoloġiku qed isir f'daqqa mal-qasam finanzjarju u qed jintroduċu teknoloġiji dak li ngħidulhom disruptive technologies li qbidlu l-mod kif il-proċess finanzjarju jiġi mod il quddiem.
Kienet innotata r-reputazzjoni ta' pajjiżna ma' negozji minn ġurisdizzjonijiet ikbar. Lord Marland, Chairman tal-Kunsill tal-Intrapriża u Investiment tal-Commonwealth, qal li pajjiżna għalkemm żgħir huwa attrajenti ħafna.
It's such a good place to do business. It's easy to set yourself up. The regulation is tight, but it's fair, and it's a very attractive place to not only geographically but business-wise, from an access point of view, to be based.
Marland irrefera wkoll għal fatt li ġimgħat ilu kien maqbul fil-kabinett li Malta taddatta sistema ta' blockchain, sistema diġitali ta' informazzjoni.
Well, I think the interesting thing about the announcement on blockchain is that blockchain is at the cutting edge now of finance, as is Islamic finance. These are the new forms of finance, and if you're going to keep yourself in the forefront of the game, you've got to be adapting your economy to welcome these types of new developments. And I think that's why that announcement is so important. It just keeps Malta moving forward on the front foot in terms of creating this financial centre.
Fl-aħħar snin l-iżvilupp bla preċedent fis-settur finanzjarju kien frott diversi fatturi fosthom etika tax-xogħol u gvern pro-business. Il-Gvern issa huwa kommess li Malta taddatta sistema diġitali ta' cryptocurrency biex dejjem tibqa' fuq quddiem net tal-kompetittività u tkompli tkun ta' eżempju għal ġurisdizzjonijiet oħra.
We will never stop in ensuring that our jurisdiction remains known for its high standards and the quality of service. This government will ensure that every opportunity is taken to defend our industry from unfair criticism or opportunistic agendas. We have much to be proud of, and I am sure that, as has been done in the past, this industry will remain a mainstay of our economy in the next years to come.